Okay, welcome back. We're putting all 3 layers together now on St. James Infirmary. As a quick review, we started with singing and strumming, then we went to singing with chording, and then we did chording and strumming together. All right? And by the time we got to that chording and strumming, because we'd done those previous exercises of so much singing, my bet is that you're starting to hear a little bit of that melody as you strum and chord, right? As opposed to just strumming and chording and then starting to sing, right? Having isolated the singing along with the layers separately, I think that sets you up better to add the singing on top of the chording and strumming. So we're going to try that approach, and then don't worry, I'm going to give you some examples of other approaches that you can take later on. But let's come back to that pattern, both the chord pattern and the strum pattern. Remember, it starts A minor, D minor, A minor for the full 4, 2, 2, E7, 4, second line, 2, 2, 4, do, da, do, da, do, F, E, back to A minor. On your own, getting into the groove here. Just audiate the melody. Can you hear it in your head? Melody or lyrics, whatever. Close your eyes if it helps, or look at your fingers. All right, let's hum. Lyrics. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Try that again. Find those connection points. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Let's add the melody. Here we go. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Let's try it again. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Once more, really let her fly. Let her go, God bless her. Wherever she may be, she can search this whole world over, never find a man like me. Beautiful. Whew! That was was a lot of work on just one little bit, but my bet is that you are a lot more comfortable putting all three of those layers together, certainly more comfortable than you were before you started this whole mess of exercises, right? Couple things to remind you of as you continue and apply these exercises to any song that you're working on. First of all, layering out things, each layer separately, right? Just sing the song, just chord the song, just strum the song, right? Along to original recording, or if it's a song that I've taught, you can use the practice video for that as a guide. Really give some love to each of these individual layers before you start pairing them together. Second, make sure that when you're layering them together, you pair them in twos, right? As we did, singing and chording, singing and strumming, and then chording and strumming together, right? Don't skip that step as well, because the stronger the connections are between two at a time, the easier it will be to put all three together, right? And the third point I want to make is remember the power of audiation. Audiation is just hearing something in your head. You take it out of the formula, but you can still hear it. That's a really nice way to practice fusing these layers together, as I talked about, right? The more that you can hear it, the better inside, right? The better you'll be able to play it. The more internalized it is, the stronger it will be externally, right? And I guess the fourth thing is just a reminder, with all this repetition, the point is repetition and variation in balance with each other. We repeated the same 8 bars over and over again, but we did it a little differently each time. And that's also a really important way of solidifying your knowledge and understanding of the song, as opposed to just singing and chording and playing and cursing your way through it over and over and over again without getting any better at it. So repetition and variation. Thank you so much for joining me through this exercise. I hope it was helpful. As I said, you can take these same steps and apply them to any song that you're working on, any song section. So enjoy your practice with this one and with everything else in your repertoire. Thanks so much for joining me.